Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your horizontal looking presentation in Google Slides to vertical. Now, I highly recommend to do this only to a brand new template or a brand new presentation that you haven't do any work on. Because if you turn anything from horizontal to vertical, then it will mess the visual and the design of the presentation. I highly don't recommend it, but in case you're still interested, so let me show you what's going to happen, and also I will give you the tutorial at the same time. Now, I have this sample presentation and I want to turn it to be vertical. This is horizontal, this is 16:9 ratio, this is very standard. Now I'm going to flip it, I'm going to make it to be 9:16. To do that, just go to the file menu, go to page setup, and click this option that says widescreen. Now there are three options. This is just the presets that are recommended by Google Slides, but we can also just click custom. And by 5.63 inches is the dimension of this presentation. Of course, if you're using centimeters, then it's going to be a different number. But basically, what we need to do is we need to flip the number, the width and the height. So this width is going to be 5.63, while the height is going to be 10 inches. So that's the idea. Just click the number. Now click apply and you'll see what's going to happen. Yeah, this is why it's not recommended to do the work or edit a horizontal presentation to vertical. I highly recommend to just start all over again, and you want to create something new that you know it's going to be 9:16 or vertical orientation. That's just way better. So yeah, regardless of that, I hope you find this video helpful.